Hello everybody, it's Jeff with my parents' house. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick update. I'm going to show you some video I shot yesterday. Basically what ended up happening was I came over here yesterday afternoon to check on a couple of things, and I walked into the garage and I saw all this water all over the place. So I was like, oh God, maybe a pipe broke behind the washing machine or something. Then I walked into the house and I found that there was some leak behind the dishwasher. And what happened was it flooded the entire house. So take a look at this video and you'll kind of see what happened. It's a mess. I came in today, walk into the house, and I noticed there was a whole bunch of water in the garage, and I was like, oh no, the pipe must have broken on one of the washing machines, because there was all this water in the garage. And I walk in and it's like totally flooded. The whole house was flooded. So I called the insurance company. The insurance company says to call these guys. So I called ServPro, and now they're inside working on the house, trying to clean up the water, and they're picking up all the water, and they're taking out the carpets. It's a real mess. Anyway, what can you do? So everybody, this is ServPro. They're here at my house because I ended up coming home today and finding the house totally flooded. So I'll just follow this pipe in. I'll show you what's going on in here. It's pretty messed up. There's a lot of water, and you can see here. It looks like there's a lot of water here. You can see on the carpet when I step on it. So there's a lot of water there. And then as we go into the kitchen, look at this. And then this is the kitchen. The kitchen's all underwater, as you can see. So this is the kitchen, and this is where everything kind of happened. When I came home today, the dishwasher light was on, and we never used the dishwasher here, and the dishwasher's got water in the bottom for some reason, and the light was on. So like I said, we don't usually use the dishwasher. It may have just come on accidentally, and since we don't use it, we never check it. I don't know. But so the water came through all the way through, and it was leaking out all the way to out here. And you can see it was coming through the wall right here. And then let me take you into the laundry room. And the laundry room is all got water in it, as you can see. And then when I first saw it, I came out to the garage and I was like, oh no, I thought maybe the washer had broken a hose or something, but it wasn't that lucky. It was the sink and or the dishwasher, and it totally flooded the entire house. So I'm just going to do another little walkthrough here. Here we are in the washroom, and I got the guys from ServPro here. They're sucking all the water out, and it's going all the way down into look, I just show you all the way down here into the back area. This is the back bedroom where I keep all my my stuff for redoing the house. This is just all the products for redoing the house. And this is the other bedroom. You can see this one's a lot cleaner than the other one. But anyway, so that's it. This room is not bad, and that room's not that bad either. But it looks as though we're going to have to rip out all these rugs. And, we'll be back afterwards and see what the heck is going on. Okay, so this is a vacuum they're using to pick up the water.
hiding from his girlfriend.
Oh. So they're picking up the carpet now? So, about how many gallons you figure you guys, you know how big the tanks are, about how many gallons you figure you pulled out so far?
50 gallons.
50 gallons? Yeah, I guess I'm going to have a high water bill this month, huh?
I don't know. Why not?
So there you have it. You saw it. Wicked mess. On Monday, they're supposed to come in and do some more demoing. I was told that there's mold underneath the counters, in the cabinets. So now they have to take all the cabinets out and they have to redo the kitchen. That's not something I was going to do on this project, but now I have to do it. So until next time, I'm Jeff with my parents' house. I want to pull my hair out, but I've got no hair to pull. So we'll catch you on Monday. Bye-bye.